I decided to present my personal pepper soup recipe to you guys. Why I say personal? Because it's way hotter and it has all of the rejects in it. Cow skin, pig feet, chicken feet, liver, kidney, all that. Yes, join me. Let's begin with using the pressure cooker. The cow skin and pig feet over here need to go in the pressure cooker because they're hard. I'll just cut them into manageable sizes. I'm gonna rinse them and add them in here. Make sure they're clean because some of these things will have sand on them. Though I don't feel sand on this one, but the fact that it's burnt, I also still need to clean them up. Okay, I already have some chicken feet in there. I'm just gonna add the last 4. That's about 9 pieces. Four cups of water. About a 1/4 teaspoon of this roasted garlic and herb seasoning. This is to help maintain the flavor and taste of the meat, because pressure cooker will take out the taste of your meat. And then 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now let's move on to the part that gives pepper soup the title it has. Pepper soup is to blend the peppers, and then I'll add these. You can go with a whole small onion and 3 garlic cloves, and then 2 shallots. So the thing about these peppers that I bought last year during farmers market is that some are hot, some are not. With these ones I'm using today, I found they're not that hot. That's why I'm not even using bell pepper in this recipe, because these peppers will serve as bell peppers and without the sweetness of bell peppers, so that's even better. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But I'm not gonna stop there because I really just don't trust them to be hot. And I really want this pepper soup to be spicy. Like I told you, this one is my personal recipe. I prefer it really hot. So I'll add these ones that I trust. They're the crinkled peppers. They're usually more expensive when you go to the farmers market, but they're a lot hotter. So I'll use 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. That should do the trick. I'll just add the rest of them, blend them, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, let the cooking begin. So I blended the peppers and everything. I'm just gonna add this in here. I'm adding another 4 cups of water. I'll usually use some of the water and just kind of clean in the blender, because we don't let anything go to waste. Six little beef flavored Maggi, 1 teaspoon of chicken flavor bouillon, and 2 bay leaves. So I'll start cooking this on medium heat while the meat is still finishing up in the pressure cooker and all that. Okay, now I'm gonna do the kidneys. These are good kidneys and liver. I will steam them lightly before adding them to the soup. So I'm just adding 2 cups of water here. A little bit of garlic and roasted garlic and herb mix again. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I'll just let it cook for maybe 10 minutes max. While that's going on, I'm going to show you how I do the meat. Since the meat is fully cooked, I add just the pig feet though, because the chicken feet and cow skin are soft, so I'll add those last. And then I add the water from the pressure cooker. So I'll just put everything together now. And then that will be it for this pepper soup. Those were the cow skin and chicken feet. And then I add the liver and kidney. I'll just give it 5 more minutes to have everything incorporated, and then that's it. If you noticed, all of the water content in here ended up being 10 cups total. And I'm gonna make my fufu and I'll be ready to eat. It smells like pepper in here and it is very hot, just how I like it. So this soup is ready. Let me turn off the stove. I must tell y'all, my problem is solved for today. I can't wait to eat. So join me virtually and let's eat. If you're afraid of pepper, of course just reduce the amount of pepper you put in for this recipe and it should be all good. For me, I like to consume a lot of pepper every now and then, because I must admit, since 2020, this whole time, all the craziness, I have not gotten not one flu. And this right here is one of the reasons why. Alright y'all, like always, please like my videos, comment, share, subscribe. The more you engage with my channel, the more other people will know I exist on this metaverse. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next time.